Day happenings. In the news this week, it also corresponded with a dental hygienist that IM'd me asking about what in the world are these little beads that I see in some of my patients who use toothpaste with the beads in them. What are they and what's their purpose? Well, great question. Totally all over the news. They are called microbeads. Microbeads are defined as any small plastic that's less than 5 millimeters. But guess what? The ones that are in our personal care products are less than 1 millimeter, and that includes toothpaste. So what is this little microbead? Okay, yeah, it's plastic. The ingredient is polyethylene, PE. Guess what? Polyethylene is like in all of our plastics. It's in milk jugs and containers and anything else that you can think of that's basically garbage and we can't really use it afterwards. That's what it is. So they put this little plastic in a toothpaste. Why? What's the purpose? I got nothing for you. There is no purpose. It's decorative. Okay, so somebody somewhere got this bright idea to say, hey, you know what? Let's just make the toothpaste pretty. And they put that in there. So what happens is these little microbeads that are not biodegradable, they just start to stick to the skin, and then sometimes they'll, or the gums, then they'll go into the sulcus, which is the area between your gum. It's almost like a little free space in between your tooth. Now, that's where the trouble can start, because have you ever had a popcorn kernel get stuck just up underneath the gum? Your gum becomes inflamed. I mean, it's ticked off, right? Something foreign is in there. You're getting the drift. So, bad news. These products, and they're in many, over 12 different types of toothpaste. Know the ingredient, polyethylene. These toothpaste are going to be on the shelf and packaged until, you ready for this? 2017. Yeah, 2017. So it's important. We're not going to be, just having this go under the carpet. This is going to be around for quite a while. Now, I did a Google Hangout today for Modern Hygienist. Check out more information on that. Otherwise, I'm going to include the link where you can see what companies are stopping the processing or manufacturing of microbeads in their personal care products. Now, if you got a question about your smile or oral health, write it right down here. And until next Wednesday, take what you learn and make a difference with it.